Good morning, grade 8. In previous video, we have seen about altitude. Now in this video, let's see what do you mean by median. Now look at the definition. The segment joining the vertex of a triangle and midpoint of the opposite side is called median of the triangle. That means if you take a vertex and midpoint of its opposite side, if you join those two, the segment which is obtained is nothing but a median. So when we will draw, actually you will come to know. So let us draw first. Last time we have taken acute angle triangle. This time we will take obtuse angle triangle. So let's draw obtuse angle triangle first. So we are drawing obtuse angle triangle. Okay. So base I am taking 6 centimeters. Now obtuse means more than 90. One angle should be more than 90 degrees. I am placing the scale at my left hand side. So left hand side means word Lena, you remember? So I will be using inside scale. Okay. Now let's take angle of 110 degrees. This is 110. I am joining these two. You can take measure of angle of any measure to draw obtuse angle triangle, okay? Okay, this is my obtuse angle triangle which I have got. Let us name it as S, T and V. Measure of angle T was 110. Now, if I consider vertex S of a triangle, which side is opposite to vertex S? Side opposite to vertex S is TV. So I have to find midpoint of TV and that midpoint I have to join with S. Segment which I will get will be median. Okay. So TV I have taken as 6 centimeters. This we have seen, it is 6 centimeters. So what is midpoint of 6 centimeters? It will be after 3 centimeters. Okay. So here 3 centimeters will give me midpoint. Alright. Now if I join this midpoint, let me give this name of midpoint as P. If I join this midpoint P with this S, now segment SP is median. I hope you got it. Okay. Now let us draw all the medians from all the vertices to the opposite sides. Now look at this. Let us check what is the length. See, this is exactly 10 centimeters. Okay. So midpoint will be 5. So I am taking it 5 over here. Alright. Now if I join this point with T, this will be my another median. So P, I will write this as Q. I hope you are understanding what I am doing. Now next, let me check how much is this side. Okay, this side is coming as 1, 2, 6.3. So half of 6 is 3. And then 3 means after 1, in between 3.1 and 3.2, I will give this point. Okay, so this will be midpoint. Okay, now I am joining these two. Now can you see that all these 3 medians again they are intersecting in a single point at a center over here? Alright. Now P, Q and R. So what are the medians? SP is one median. Then TQ is another median. And VR is another median. We should exactly go from V. Now RV is third median. These are the 3 medians which we got. Alright. Now all these 3 medians, they are intersecting in a single point or they are passing through a single point. This point where all the 3 medians intersect is denoted by letter G. and G stands for centroid. We have seen in case of altitude it was orthocenter. In case of medians it is called as centroid. And all the medians are concurrent. Concurrent. Concurrent means what? They are all passing through a single point. They are meeting at a single point. This is important. So what are the names of medians we have seen? SP, RV and TQ are three medians. Now most important point which you should remember about the medians is that this median, if you calculate the length of SG to GP, then GP will be half of SG. That means centroid is dividing each median exactly into the ratio 1:2. Okay, the ratio is 1:2. So please remember, when it comes to medians, the ratio is 1:2, or you can say, if this you consider first, the ratio is also called as 2:1. That means the longer side is double of the smaller side. So in this case, if Gx and Gp we consider, if Gp is x, then Gs will be 2x. The smaller will be 2x. Smaller will be x, bigger will be 2x. Now Gq, you can see, observe, no? Gq is small compared to Tg. So if Gq is y, then Gt will be 2y. In case of Rv, Gv is greater compared to Rg. So what we can have? Rg, if it is z, then Gv will be 2z. Okay, so let us calculate and check one of the side, then you will understand. Now see students, if I calculate up till here, this I am getting as 1.1. So twice of 1.1 is 2.2. So if this is 1.1, from here to here I should get 2.2. See, it is exactly 2.2. So this is 2.2, double of it. And total length TQ will be this plus this. That means it should be 3.3. See, it is exactly 3.3. Can you see, everybody? So always remember, centroid, it divides the each median in the ratio 2:1. 2:1 is the ratio. Alright. So these are the important points. I am just little zooming it for you so that it will be visible. Can you see the triangle now? Okay. So STV is an obtuse angle triangle, and we have drawn three medians. Now there is another method to take the midpoint, as we have seen in perpendicular bisectors while drawing it, isn't it? What you can do? You can put it at V, take more than half, make an arc over here, make another arc over here, same distance you put at T, cut this arc over here, cut this arc at this side also, okay, and then you can join these two cuttings. You will see that it passes through P again. See, if I am joining this, see, it exactly comes to P. So no need to draw this complete line. You can just keep a point over here, keep another point over here, and see where it cuts the line and give the point. That is also your midpoint. But with scale it is more easy. Just measure and take the midpoint. Divide it by 2 and take the midpoint. I hope you have understood. Okay. Now let us quickly go to our exercise 4.1. See students, we have done this third problem just now. Okay. So this is your exercise. What it says I have written also over here. Now look at this triangle LMN, which is an altitude. So this is 90 degree. So XL will be your altitude, and which is median? LY will be your median. You just measure it and see Y is midpoint of MN. If Y is midpoint, see, it is exactly midpoint we are getting. This is 5.6 and this is 2.8. Alright. So from here to here is 2.8 MY. So LY will be your median. Now draw an acute angle triangle. We have done this and all its altitude. Question 3 just now we have done. Draw an obtuse angle triangle STV. Draw its medians and show the centroid. We have shown the centroid also. Now 4th, 5th and 6th are all different types of triangles they have shown. They have asked you to draw. And then draw either altitudes or medians or both. So these three problems you will be doing it as a homework. You know the method now how to draw. Okay, coming back to last is to the 7th question. Please see. Now G is centroid. G is centroid of ABC. If RG is 2.5, R to G, okay, R to G is 2.5. Then G to C will be double of RG. So this will be 5. Just now we have seen, no, median divides the, centroid divides the median into ratio 2:1. So if smaller is 2.5, double of it will be the bigger length. So this will be 5. Now BG is 6. See, B to G, this is 6. Then how much is B to Q? This is bigger segment. So half of this will be 3 over here. And B to Q will be 6 plus 3. So we are going to get 6 plus 3 as 9. Now length of AP is 6. A to P complete length is 6. And you have to find this as well as this. Now how to do this is smaller is x and this will be 2x. Isn't it? So what we have with us, I'm just keeping this and solving the problem over here. See now, we have x plus 2x. This is x and this is 2x. Whole they have given us how much? 6. So this is equal to 6. Okay. So what you get? 3x is equal to 6. And therefore x will be 6 upon 2 which is equal, 6 upon 3 which is equal to 2. So how much you got GP? So you got GP which is equal to, GP will be equal to x, we got it as, x we got 2. Alright. And GA, G to A is 2 into x. So this is 4. So 4 plus 2, this will be 6 automatically. I hope you have understood how to do. Okay. So this is how I have done the calculations. You consider this as x, this will be automatically 2x, and 2x plus x will whole completely give you as 6. Then you get x, you substitute x over here, you get AG also and GP also. Alright, so we have completed exercise 4.1. Please draw 4th, 5th and 6th constructions on your own as homework. Okay, so that's all for today, students. Please stay home, stay safe, and thank you. You can observe this how to draw it again. Alright. Okay, we'll stop here.